Hi and welcome back to DaVinci Direct's latest trade counter video demonstrations. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a card or a token onto a DC260 keypad. To add a card or a token, you will first need to enter programming mode. So I will enter the programming mode using my default master code. So you enter star and 999999. Press hash to confirm. You've now entered programming mode. And now enter 1. You will see a green and red LED. Simply present the card to the controller. You will see quickly a green flash, which will confirm that the card has been added. Press hash to confirm and press star to exit programming mode. This is the quickest way to add a card or a token onto a controller. So let's start again and I'll show you how quick it is. So enter programming mode. Enter 1 and present your cards to the controller. You can see how quick and easy it is. Press hash to confirm and star to exit programming mode. As you can see, both tokens have been quickly programmed to the controller. Thank you for watching our latest episode of Trade Counter video demonstrations.